Welcome. Welcome back to another episode of Grinch Simulator, the game of all time. Welcome here, May. Welcome here, Invice, and welcome here, Stellax. What's the name of the music? Yes, I do have 283 subs. It's awesome. Boom, 283. We're almost at 300, and I posted my 100 subscriber special not that long ago. We could actually get 500 before the end of the year. It is possible. Anyways, what is the name of the music? Allow me to pull it up. I will show you what the name of the music is. Let me pause this. This is the name of the music. It's called, Festive Mischief by, I don't know, the small indie creator, Astrodorf. I don't know, he kind of sucks. I don't know who he is, but... There it is. And, like... yeah, that was from Grinch Simulator last year. And there's also, this awesome one. The title screen music. Wait, I made this? Yeah, I made this last year for Grinch Simulator. Please upload it. Just quickly, please upload it. Let's see. I don't know, a bunch of random festive mischief, Astro Dwarf, Grinch Simulator. It couldn't possibly be uploaded. Oh, well, I guess it's not uploaded then. Let's quickly do, that. I don't know where it is. It is uploaded on YouTube somewhere. Or where can I listen? I'm glad you asked. You can listen on Spotify. Where else? I don't know. I have a list of places. It is on YouTube somewhere. I don't know where it is, though, because it's my, channel where I used to upload all my music got deleted somehow. I don't know how, but, it is somewhere else on YouTube. I don't remember where. But, all of your favorite streaming platforms, you can listen to it. I'm trying to get a list. I don't know. I know it's on Apple Music. I know it's on Spotify. Was it on the Astro Music channel? Yeah, it was called Astro Tunes, and, I don't know, it got deleted at some point, and I don't know how, but, you have an idea for a task? Okay, I haven't actually gone through all these messages. Test messages, thanks. Test messages part 2, thanks. Okay, cool, I think I've got the gist of it. You got an idea for a task? Cool, I think I'm about to hear it. I mean, if the channel got deleted, the video is also deleted. Yeah, probably. I mean, it was just music. It doesn't really break my heart or anything. Then it's probably gone. I mean, it's... no, like, my music distributor also posts my music on YouTube. So, like, it's not gone. I just don't know where it is. Alright, but for Grinch Simulator, we have this elf. He looks awesome, and also we have this block here that disappears when it's outside of your vision, and everything around you is dark except what's close to you, and we did a bunch of stuff like that. Cool. And then other than that, we... I don't know, what else did we do yesterday? I don't remember. We probably did something other than that yesterday. I need to... Nintendo Lo-Fi. There we go. No, I didn't want the ad. No, thanks. Okay, cool. So, today I have a couple of things I want to do. Unfortunately, I have to end stream by 5 o'clock. I am really busy tonight, so not gonna be a longer stream today. The first part is climbing on the roof, and you have to press enough space bars in certain time, or else you'll slip and fell on grass. How long is 5 o'clock? Until 5 o'clock. What time is it for me right now? I could literally say anything. I could say it's 4 o'clock right now, and you guys would believe me. No, it's 1 o'clock. We'll see how far we get. I got time, so... some things I want to do today. I want to edit this, Okay, 2 hours? Yeah. Where is the block? Oh. I want to edit this vision thing so that it wraps around corners, because currently if there's a corner, it just goes through it. So I want to make it... So if I'm standing here, I can't see around the wall. Actually, is it really that important? The vision is so small. I'll leave that as details for another day. I don't think I need to do that today. First thing, I want to put some walls up in here. So I think... Let's just get, some Pro Builder really quick. Pro Builder, there it is. And the other part that you have to try to get in the right chimney, and you get clues on paper when you start the task. Ah, so a little, detective work, I see. Never seen a non-top-down 2D game, you don't think? Got the idea, stole it from a game called Octopath Traveler. Never actually played the game, but I'm stealing the idea. I guess it doesn't really count as a 2D game anymore. Oh, if you get the wrong one, a child will catch you? Maybe. Maybe. I'm not working on tasks yet, so I'm not going to say yes or no yet. But I'll keep it in mind. Alright, tools. Burrow builder, window. There we go. New poly shape. Do I have snapping enabled? Probably not. Oh, I do have snapping. Let's go. This is actually a lot easier than I thought this would be. I thought I'd have to do a lot of manual grunt work to make this look right, but, it's just snapping to the corners. You thought of that while you're having a test? Oh, I messed that one up. I messed up the first corner, so I'm just doing this all over again. Can I send a PNG of the elf in Discord? Do you have you want to make a fun idle animation? Sure. I kind of hate... I have a running animation for it right now, but I kind of hate it. I have some ideas for how I can make it better. Just for funsies? Yeah, I'll send the image in the Discord. Stellax. No, I just need to find this image on my computer. Oh, I could probably just drag and drop. Stellax is like 3 different pictures. It's like 3 different pictures, so you'll have to kind of assemble them. But that's the elf. Out of 2D. And does shift... It does work. How tall do I want these? Probably right about there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tall. Yeah, that seems about right. New poly shape. Okay, that one is in the corner. There's another one. Let's make another one right there. I love Pro Builder. It's so nice. It's such a nice tool. A day only turns good once again. Watch Astro streams. Welcome back, Konako Fire. I just realized I messed this up. Well, let's just, delete that then. I can move that. Right there. Right there. Right there. And last one. Right there. There we go. Yeah, I saw that you made a texture for the factory floor. Not sure at the moment if I'll use it, but thanks anyways. Right now I'm trying to work on making some walls for this, but how do I make holes? I don't remember how to make holes in this. Huh. Oh wait, I just had an idea. I take what I originally did. Oh, no. New poly shape. I do this and I just extrude the edges. And then I can just go from there. Can you see the full elf model real quick? Hey, welcome here, Ronan. I do be doing the funny game. Here, there's the elf. Take a really good look at him at Stellax. Thanks, Kit. He's gone forever. You never get to see him again. Screenshotted it. No! Never! Not my NFT! Yes, I remember what I said I was gonna do. Is there a... No, there isn't. Extrude edges. I'm making this year's Game of the Year only if I finish it this year. There we go, it extruded. Okay, perfect. You will never be able to be multiplayer Game of the Year Splatoon 3. Oh, I'm not going for that. I'm just going for Game of the Year. Actually, I'm getting a little confused by what I need to do right now. Do I need to... I can fix that later. This one's not right either. He will sue you for 4,000 bucks, Astro? No. Please don't sue me. I don't make money off of this. Okay, then I think I subdivide this. Where's the subdivide option? Oh, I need to go here. Subdivide object. That's not how I wanted to subdivide it. Is there a subdivide face? You made an animation for the hat? It's cute. I mean, I hate the running animation right now. I really want to redo it all. Why can't I, like, subdivide this? Oh, maybe I could just, like... Oh, no, that's objects. Yeah, Control A. I think I can just extrude them, actually, instead. That'd be an easier way to do what I'm trying to do. Oh, they extruded down. Perfect, that's what I wanted. And then I take this center face and delete it. That's not the button for that. You sent it? Alright. I gotta see this. For walking? That's cute. I mean, I hate the walking animation right now, so I'm gonna redo the walking animation maybe today. To see what... Could you send it to you so you can see what you could possibly do? I know what I can do. I think the problem is that I just need to stylize it more, and I need to make it a 3-frame animation rather than a 5-frame. So I need one interpolation frame instead of, like, instead of, 2 of them. Or, yeah. Or one interpolation frame instead of 3, technically. I think that's the problem I'm having with it. You think it would be good to have a script that when you walk around you jump like Among Us, but not too high? I mean, I can just do that in the animation. It doesn't even need to be a script. What is this? Do all walls have depth by default? I mean... Oh no, it just has walls. I think I accidentally made those walls. And backspace. Now the walls are gone. You sent a photo of how far you are? Alright, let's see it. I see. I see you're just trying to, trying to make that, remake it by hand. How do I merge these two? Oh, merge objects. There we go. I should be in 2D mode. I need to subdivide this edge. Select! There we go. And then I need to subdivide this edge again. Merge. Where's merge? There should be a merge function here somewhere. Am I blind? Subdivide edge. If you have no idea what I'm doing with this, I I don't know what I'm doing either. One, two, three, four. I need to do it 4 times. One more time. And now, what I was trying to do is these edges now line up with each other. At least they should. Yeah, they all line up. I thought there was a merge vertices function, though, where you can, like... merge vertices that are close together. Oh, weld vertices. Yeah, I should... yeah, I can weld those two. Won't let me weld those two, though. Maybe I can weld edges. Don't know why it won't let me. Oh, it just wasn't selecting both of them. Okay, perfect. Actually, I have a better idea. Let's just take the vertices, select all of them, and then we do weld. And just do a really small value. That should have fixed it. Yep. That did. Alright, that's what I wanted. And now... what I can do is I can select... actually, I can just go... I think there's just a button for select holes. And then we fill hole. Select holes. Fill hole. Fill hole. And there we are. And then I can just take this centerpiece and... Nope. Nope, not that. And just delete that one. Okay, both of those are still important. And then let's just, there we go. Back? Internet wasn't letting you watch the stream. Hey, welcome back. Don't worry. I'm still streaming. And then how does that look? Perfect. There's walls now. Walls! Let's go! I do think I need to make a shader. Ooh. You can see through walls right here, though. I might actually have to do what I was talking about with, making some changes that it gets clipped by walls. I also don't like this. I also don't like this. So there's a lot of things to do now that there's walls. I'm thinking I'm going to make a function that I'm going to make a shader for these walls that if the wall is behind this virtual vision sphere, then it becomes basically transparent-ish. Not sure what I'm going to do about this, about being able to see out of bounds. I'll figure that one out later. Not the most important thing for now. And then, yeah, I'm going to implement the not being able to see through walls like that, because I don't think that's good. Spying on everyone in the hallway like this. Okay. This code needs to be done on the player controller. Alright, so we have the sphere function here. I think I need to add another function. Or, not function, variable. I need to add an array. I'm thinking right now, sorry. Is this how you do arrays? I'm pretty sure there's a weird workaround way of doing arrays. Unity shader array. Okay. That works. This will be... I'll make this 64 long. So, what I'm going to do is basically on the player... no, not there. There's Unity. On the player, I'm going to basically do a raycast outwards at a bunch of different angles. Hey, welcome here, Lobster. I'm going to raycast outwards at a bunch of different angles. Basically to see, hey, is there a wall there that the light needs to be obstructed by? And then, in the code, here in the... no, that's a bad example. Here in the clip function, ray tracing? No, not ray tracing, ray casting. It's math. Here in the code, on this clip function, which basically what it does is if this value in here is less than 0, then it just doesn't render the pixel. But I'm going to put another little case in here that if the distance, instead of checking if the distance is within the sphere, I'm going to check if the distance is in the sphere, and if it's not obstructed by any of these. Oh, actually, I only think I need like 16 of those. I don't think I need 64, that's a lot. If I need more, that's very easy to code in. No errors, perfect. Then, on the player controller, this song is very loud. On the player controller. Scream in your mic. Ah! No, I don't think I will. I will add a float for obstructions in here. No. And then for, I actually need to set this equals new float 16 long. 16. Physics 2D dot raycast. Swarm dot position. Plus. Which way is up on the map? I think it's the Z direction. I just don't want any bugs with this, so I'm just adding this in as... I'm just adding this in so that it's not raycasting with the floor. Let's see. Vector 2... Oh, this is a vector 2... No, I want a... If... Physics.raycast. I need to do a vector 3 for this. Ooh, we're getting into fancy math now. I need a, You want to record the Minecraft blip, but you don't have anything to record your voice with? You got a phone? You can record, if you want to do, like, post-commentary, you can do that into your phone. I've done that before. And then you can use, like, editing software just to slap it on afterwards. Yeah, you guess you could do that? Oh, my chat's not updating. Oh, there it is. I think I see what you guys mean now by chat being delayed. My YouTube chat is, like, perfectly in time. Like, it takes my OBS chat a few seconds to catch up, though. I'm gonna refresh it. Hopefully that fixes it. Okay. Ray equals new Ray. Man, coding is awesome. Origin transform.position plus 0.5f. And then direction. I need to do a little bit of math in my head. So this is XY. So the sine of... Let's first start with float angle equals math f dot pi times 2. Does sine... Well, it got more delayed? Did it get more delayed? I have no way of actually refreshing this chat. Maybe I do have a way of doing it. Maybe that fixed it. I don't know. Okay. Divided by 16 times I. There we go. That'll get an angle in radians. I think this function might work in degrees. I guess we'll find out. Do I have it on top chat? Oh, maybe. Maybe I have it on top chat. I mean, not like I know how to... I think I just need to remove the custom CSS. Control X, okay. And then I interact, and I put it on live chat. There we go. Woo! And then I put the CSS back. There you go, live chat. Much faster, you think? Is it a different URL for live chat? And I want to test this now. No, it's not a different URL. Shoot. So many subs now? What's going on? You used to only have like 50? Yeah. Hey, we're at 284. Let's go. I know. I used to only have like 50. I mean, it wasn't that long ago. We were just hit 100, and that was huge for me. What was I doing? Oh yeah, angle. And then, math f dot cosine angle. I know it's supposed to be the other way around. It's supposed to be cosine here and sine here, but it literally does not matter as long as it hits all of the angles I want. Okay. I really should make, like, a, program that always automatically sets my live chat for me, because I have to manually change the URL of, my live chat every single stream. Maybe I should make an automatic one that does that for me and switches it over to live instead of whatever it was on before. Okay, dot raycast. Ray. Max distance. Manager dot vision radius. We need another vibe song with a new cat at 500. Honestly, I'll probably replace the cat eventually. Not that I'm replacing the cat, but with an actual 3D model that I made, because this is just a static model of a cat sleeping. You once tried programming, but it was too hard. You couldn't Oh, you couldn't finish any problems. Or find what went wrong, so you quit. It takes practice. I'm self-taught. I've been doing it for like 8-9 years already, so... I don't know. I have a bit of practice. I'm going very slow because... If I wasn't streaming, I'd be going much faster than this. Unfortunately, I'm streaming, so I'm going slow because I'm talking. And once I start talking, then I stop thinking about what I'm doing. Actually... What's the variation I want? I want layer masking as well. Ray, max distance. Nope, that's not the one I want. Here we go. Oh, so the out goes second, then the distance, then the layer mask. Okay. Out. Raycast hits. Hit. Should have just tried to launch it 10 times without changing anything and then getting it to work. I mean, sometimes things in programming just randomly work and you don't know why. At least that's what I've heard people say. I've never actually had that happen to me before. I have had stuff where it's like I made no changes and the next day it stopped working. I've had that before. Name to layer wall. I'm gonna have to make a layer for that. You did something no other people on the internet did? Take a bath. Yeah, you're right. No one else on the internet does that, because I only take showers. You'll take some screenshots of, or some pictures of all the command blocks in your world? Okay. I mean, the most command blocks the most complicated thing I've ever made out of command blocks was, if any of you have ever heard of the minicame Minecraft bridge. Basically, it's a bridge and you're trying to fall into a goal on the other player's side. Here, I'll open up Paint so I can explain this. So, essentially, there's a bridge. And then on this side, there's a goal. And on the red side as well, there's also a goal. What your job is to do is to get all the way to this side and fall into the goal. That's the goal of the game. The most complicated thing I ever did out of command blocks was make that minigame. Which, at first, you don't realize, you don't think it's that hard to make, but it's like, well, in Bridge, you have a bunch of blocks, so during the game, everyone's building with blocks, trying to bridge over each other, so you have to, with command blocks, remove all of those blocks. But after you remove all those blocks, these blocks here are gone as well. And so then you have to replace all of these blocks here. You have to detect if someone falls in this hole. There's a lot of stuff you have to do, but it's probably nothing nearly as complicated as making a mob out of pure command blocks. Anyways, no, I don't want to save that. Obstructions I equals hit dot distance. Else obstructions I equals 0. Perfect. Vision stuff. Okay, I need to make a layer mask called wall. I also noticed that this wall is the wrong height. Which wall is that? That's the big one. Okay. I think that's all of it. Perfect. Yeah, I don't see any other walls that are part of it. Cool. All of these are now a part of add layer wall. Map, and then I also want this in there. Okay. Oh yeah, also all of these walls need to have a mesh collider on them. Already does. Perfect. Oh wait, that doesn't do anything yet. And then... there. After all of that, we need to go shader.set global float array. Obstructions. There we go. And then I need a private constant int. Equals 16. And then I can just put that there, 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 and that's it. Cool. I do need to put a function in here for, basically this. bool? I don't want to do a bool. I want to do an int. Check vision. Actually, I'll do a bool. Float 3, world pause, and I think that's it. Oh. I just realized something. This 0.5, I wanted it to be more like 0.01. I wanted it to actually be really small. Okay. What did I do in here? That's the first thing. And then we go float angle equals... X and Y. A tan 2? Please tell me a tan 2 is a function here. Which one would be first? Probably Y, I'd guess. I think Y is still first here, even though the angle is skewed that I'm looking at everything. Sorry, I'm doing complicated math, kind of hard to explain. World pause.y. Should work. Any errors? I actually just want to know if there's errors. Please tell me a tan 2 is a function on the GPU. It is! Let's go! Because it would be a pain if it wasn't. Angle divided by... Oh, I'm starting to think of weird niche cases. Oh, no. The math is harder than I thought it would be. But let's start with a simple function for now. Angle divided by pi 3.14159 times 2. 6.282. 283. Good enough. Times 16. And then floor it. I actually do need to store the distance. And then I can just put dist in here. And then return dist less than obstructions index. Actually, I'm just gonna do that for now. Clip. What was the function called again? Check vision. I.pause worlds. 1 -1. I think this is only a thing with C#. That's probably going to give me an error. You made the idle animation. It's kind of bad. I mean, I made a running animation, and it's also kind of bad. No errors. Okay. Let's try it out. See if it works. I'm gonna get a million errors now. Bro, what? Why are there no errors? Okay. Well, you posted it in Discord? Alright, let's see it. I mean, like, something like that could be cute if it's like, someone's just... Why are the walls so high? Because I decided to make them high? I don't know. Although you can still see through walls. Oh, wait, no! No, I just realized. I didn't change this shader. Check vision. And then I need to invert it. There's no error because you're a good programmer. I mean, usually when I'm doing weird stuff like this, there is gonna be a problem. I'm still not convinced there isn't a problem, but I realized what the problem was, is that I forgot to update this shader. I.pause world. Even if there are no errors. Okay, well, there it is. Oh, I think I set this to 0. Float dot max value. Okay. Not sure what's going on with that. I can still see through walls. Huh. If I keep going this way, does anything change? That was a long... Oh! If I go this way, does anything weird happen? No, nothing weird happens. I can't see behind me anymore. I need to have this cube enabled. Okay, I can see it in front of me. I can't see it behind me. Got it. Okay. Same thing. What's wrong with the light? That's what I'm gonna figure out. I presume it's something wrong with my shader code, but I'm still going to check over here. .log, hit. Cool. Let's first check this code. Okay. We should be getting a debug message right now that says hit. But we aren't. Okay. Still not getting it. Found one of the problems. Never set the layer. Should I drop out of college? No. No hits. Should be getting hits now. Still not. Strange. That's the first thing I'm gonna fix. If I just remove that, sometimes if I have extra text, some extra things I want to add, sometimes it just doesn't work. Next, I'll check the colliders. There's my problem. There's my problem with this code. It needs to be negative. Okay. See if that works now. Only if you want to become a programming YouTuber. Still nothing. Alright. Debug dot draw array. Array dot Origin, ray dot direction, color dot red. I want the elf. There we go. Yeah, those rays are spread out. Game manager dot vision radius, which is 2.5. That's my problem. Can't I do something with the shader that makes things disappear? Yes, that is what I'm trying to work on. I'm trying to work on so that you can't see through walls. But first, I need to... Okay, there we go. My raycast is working now. First, I need to debug my code. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. So, essentially, my raycasting, where I'm checking if there's walls on each side of the player, wasn't working. That's what I was testing for. Now it is working, because I just had some problems with my code, where this I had as layer name to layer instead of get mask. So I just had the wrong function there. Everything else here I think was fine. And I can remove that debug, I already know what it's doing. So now I have to look at the shader. Actually, first I would like to look at this again. Because I want to see if I can see through this back wall back here. Something is happening. You see that? Kid, I know how much you're costed. Not sure what you might mean by that. I know what's wrong here, actually. So, there was this earlier that I said it doesn't matter that they're not in the right order. That actually did end up mattering, and that's where one of the problems is from. Oh, how much my PC costed. Sorry, some of that message was hidden behind the heart in the corner. I don't know. I paid $1,000 for it, and it was refurbed. It was a refurbished computer, so... Okay, now they're rotated 180 degrees. Okay. Okay, I can work with that. I'll do that in post. I mean, if I want this to be efficient, I would do it here. I need a negative on the y-axis. Is with something underneath? No, the weird thing has nothing to do with something underneath. It's just complicated math. And, like, I have to basically guess how the shader still a problem. Still a problem. That line I actually don't care about. That line's always bugged. Did I save this? I did. Am I working in Radiance? Yes, I am working in Radiance. Anyways, welcome here, Project Uncomplete. I didn't even notice there was a new chatter. Because, like, making this negative didn't do anything. 5 people watching? Oh, that's sweet. 5 people watching me do, complicated shader math. Maybe I'll just try making it negative in here. I'll make Y negative, because that's the problem. Try pi divided by 2. I already have that calculated for in here. So, in case you're wondering, what this math is doing is it's basically spreading out a bunch of rays around the character, raycasting around it to check if there's walls around it. And it's evenly distributing them out. So I have math.pi times 2 because that's a full radian divided by obstruction count. So how many different times I want to raycast. And then multiplied by I to get an exact angle. I know the problem isn't with this code. In terms of like where I'm raycasting. The problem is how it's being displayed. I can do like debug.drawRay and like these rays are all perfect. The problem is just with the shader, how it's displaying stuff. And so when I was changing something in here, I was wondering if I could change it on CPU side without it changing on, still didn't make a difference. Wait, did I prompt you to make something minus? No, you didn't. I was already thinking of that. I already said that it needed to be flipped on one of the axes. So, like, this was... hate to break it to you, Stellax, was not your doing. Is it just flipped on both axes? Maybe. And maybe that's why when I flip it over one, I don't notice a difference. I'll try that. Welcome to Shader Math. You just kind of guess until it works. Sad you didn't hear? Ah. I mean, I might have not said it out loud. I don't know. Welcome to debugging shaders. You just kind of guess what's wrong until it works. Fun fact, that was in fact what was wrong with it. Except on this side. This side it's not working now. But this side it is working. Does it work on the bottom? It does work on the bottom. Okay, you can't see through. Oh, I guess it is working on this side. Oh, that's just a rounding error. That's why I'm not noticing it. It's just a rounding error. This side it's sealed and this side it's floored. Or maybe the other way around. Okay, and now to fix why it's not in a full circle. Okay, if... I don't think this is the problem. I mean, I can try it without this. I can just try it without that code and see if anything changes. Please tell me it is that code. Oh, okay, it's not that code. I don't know if I'm happy or sad about that. Because on one hand, I'm right. On the other hand, this code's more complicated over here. Okay, this normalizes the angle to be between 0 and 1. Oh, you know what? Oh, I think I know what it is. This is doing radians in negative pi to pi instead of 0 to pi times 2. So I think I just need to add that to it. I think that's literally all I need to do, and that fixes it. Would you look at that? Oh, but now it's backwards again. Oh, that's why it was backwards! Oh, does the shader language not have a pi variable? I actually don't know if it does. So, I just haven't tried. But that makes so much sense why everything was backwards now. Okay. There, if I just put in pi, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get an error for that. Yeah. Let's see. Pi Unity shader. Pi. Nope. Or is it just uppercase? You forgot? Okay, Inviced, yeah, I mean, to be fair, it is perfectly fine for me just to write it out. Plain. I mean, maybe if I did that, no, but like... I'll just stop there. Just to make sure that it's positive. Okay. You only need 10 places of pi to be really accurate. I only really need 3 places of pi to be accurate enough for computer programming. For graphics programming. You don't need many digits of pi. I think 10 digits of pi is what NASA uses for calculating orbits and stuff like that. They only use 10 digits of pi. The thing is like, after this, the float precision is just bad, and it'll just be wrong. Well, I beg to differ. There is a reason my school wanting me to learn 25 digits of pi. I hate to break it to you, but... you do not need to know the first 25 digits of pi. You will have the same level of accuracy with only knowing, like, 5 digits of pi. Although at one point I did have 57 digits of pi memorized. And I got to throw a pi in my math teacher's face because of it, because it was Pi Day. So there are advantages to knowing pi. Say that to my school? Have to fill out the curriculum somehow. Okay, where was I? I want to interpolate between these now. I don't want it to be, like, hard angles. So I need, like, an index 1 and an index 2. Can we stop talking about pi now? I'm hungry. If you spell it differently in Vice, if you spell it P-I, you'll no longer be hungry. Quick life hack for mathematicians. That's actually why it originally was just spelled P-I, because people were too hungry while doing math. Here are the digits that you know. 3.14159265358979323. Yeah, I mean, I don't even know that far anymore. I kind of forgot them after... school. I don't remember them anymore. I just remember 3.14159265358. That's about as far as I know anymore. Anyways. If I want to interpolate, I need index 1 and index 2. This one's floor. This one will be seal. Float. Index A, which is the absolute index. And then we do index A in there, index A, floor and seal. Here's the 1000 I googled. Yeah, I don't think that fits into chat. I think there's a character limit. And then float index R for the remainder, which will just be index A mod 1, right? And this is our T value for interpolation. And then we can just do a lerp function, I believe. I believe we can just do like this. I may have gotten these backwards. I might need to like put 2 in front and 1 behind, but I think that works. And I don't want to do the math in my head right now. Seal. I spelt seal wrong. It's I before E, except when you're looking at your ceiling. Okay, something's wrong there. Just for fun, let's swap these around. That was not the answer. I mean, that looks wrong. Says it's intersecting there. Unless that value's just incorrect. Oh, that's where 0 degrees is. Okay, yeah, I get it. Okay. Just ignore the values from that one angle. I mean, it kind of works. First 1000 digits of pi. Why are you guys so, like, adamant that I need to use more digits of pi? Okay, but I do know where one of the problems are. So it has to do with which one? There's nothing here. It has to do with 0 degrees because 0 needs to wrap around to 15 in this array. But I can't do that with a seal and floor function. How would I do that? I could just mod 15 it on seal. I don't think 0 ever needs to wrap around, though, because if it's below 0, it'll always be in the positives. So I think I could just mod 15 that, and it'll work. Use module with the floor, then? No, I want to use module with the seal, because the problem isn't with floor, because floor will always floor to 15, but what's happening is sometimes we're getting the value 16, so it's returning an error, which is just 0 then. So then it thinks that at, like, just before 0 degrees, the value is 0. So it's the problem with the ceiling function. So I just need a mod 16. I was wrong. It's not mod 15, mod 16. Wait. No, it actually needs to be mod 15. No, mod 15, yeah. This is weird right now. We have YouTube buffoons in chat and Vice and Stillax, and then we have Project Uncomplete, who's actually making reasonable sense in talking to another computer programmer. I don't even think you guys know what's happening with the game right now. I think you guys are just Googling digits of pi right now. Okay, let's see if that fixed it. Yep, that fixed it. Are there any places? Yeah, right here I can check. If I just go into scene, I should be able to check. Yep, that worked. Nah, you're watching, but are you listening? It's just around corners that it's a little jittery. Please use 10 digits of pi. I'm a professional programmer, but I only use binary to make it more realistic. In using more digits, you will not notice. Please use binary. No. This will look better if I do, oh, I can't. Oh, wait, I can just do this. I can change this to 32, and that'll make everything look smoother. It's kind of like a resolution problem right now where everything looks jittery with it because the resolution is too low. Can I do 32 raycasts in average? I think that's what I was just about to do before I looked at chat. Hey, we ran into a problem already. It's probably that I forgot to, like, use a number somewhere. Wrong shader. 32. Is there the number 16 anywhere in here? No, this all looks good. Debug dot, oh, wrong place. Here, debug dot draw ray, ray dot origin, ray dot direction. Okay. You become a programmer? Hey, welcome here. Welcome to the programming club now. Watch the Minecraft custom mod videos that you've been uploading? Okay, you've been talking about these for a while. So I guess that we have to watch these, or at least look at the screenshots. Yeah, that's a lot of command blocks. So what's happening here is a whole lot of I have no idea and who knows what. If I look over here, this is a little bit more along my lines. These are structure blocks, I know that. And, yeah, everything else I have no idea what that is. Yep, those are command blocks. Gatekeeper, summon, gatekeeper, defender, so I love the... Yep, there sure is, watch on YouTube? I mean, you didn't post links to them, so... You're gonna have to post a link, Lobster, for me to show it on YouTube. Can I get advice on which programming language I should use as beginner? No, do not use that. C#. It's used for a lot of stuff. Very flexible. very good. Start with Lua or Python. I mean, I personally am not a fan of either of those. I know that people like them because clean syntax, but I think syntax makes code easier to read. So I think syntax is actually really good to have. JavaScript is not hard for beginners? Yeah, JavaScript's not hard to understand. I think the problem with JavaScript is, like, using libraries and, like, actually setting it up is the difficult part of JavaScript. Unless you're doing, like, an HTML web page, then it's not hard, but, like, anything else with JavaScript is, like, difficult to set up, just like Java. Alright, syntax it is. Okay. Allow me to explain what syntax is. This is C#. Syntax is all of these brackets here. It's these curly brackets that show different parts of the code. It's these little nubbins at the end of lines. Basically, what Python is, Python doesn't have any of those. C++ is good too. Yes, C++ is really good, very usable, very hard to learn. Wrong, it does. But it's optional. Well, yeah. People don't use Python because it's Python. People use Python because it doesn't have syntax, and they try to pride themselves in that. But then I say to them that Swift code is impossible to read because it doesn't have syntax. I think syntax makes code easier to read because I can see the end of a line is here, the beginning of a function's here. I can see that my for loop contains this. And my code doesn't break because I forgot a tab there. My code still works if there isn't a tab there. That's why I hate Python and Swift and all that stuff. That's my opinion. Who would choose to add syntax to Python? I would. I think I just made my case for that. Anyways, this broke. Why was that? I don't remember. Instructions 32. Those new floats. Okay, first thing I need to do is I need to just recenter this. Okay. It's not interpolating. Which programming language am I using right now? A multitude of different ones. If you're looking at this program right here, Visual Studio, this is all C#. This is all C#. If I have Visual Studio Code open, this is all weird code that's called... I don't know what it's called. It's essentially HLSL if Unity owned HLSL. C# and Unity C# are different? Not really. I mean, in how they work, yes. In how you write them, no. They both write the exact same way, they just compile differently. Got to go see ya. Hey, thanks for showing up, Stellax. See you around. What's the problem now, though? I really need to know this. So, like, I have 32 raycasts. Oh, wait, I was just doing the, debug function. Yes, I haven't actually looked at the debug results yet. There's also visual scripting for Unity built in? Yeah, there is. Okay, it's not the raycasts. Raycasts are fine. I mean, also, Unreal Engine also has visual scripting, which is C++. Watch the vids, they are on Discord now? Okay. Here we go. This is some community-made content. Woo! Let's go! Yes, it's an iron golem. And this was all made using just command blocks. I actually have no idea how to do this with just command blocks. I mean, like the library, so you have to learn more in C# Unity. Not necessarily. Because with, like, C# Unity, you're not learning all of the... Like, of C# Unity, you're not learning all of the, like, a lot of the base functions. Like, console command, stuff like that, or if you're making a, what's it called? Alright, very cool stuff. Unfortunately, I have to get back to coding. I might look at some more of those later. Alright, so this problem is in this file. I mean, Moby, it's still cool that he made this stuff only inside of Minecraft. My 2 minutes, very hard work. No! I mean, I still think it's really cool. Doing stuff with command blocks, I always find impressive because, I have not done that much stuff in my life with command blocks. And so I don't really know how they work. Every time I want to do stuff with command blocks, I have to, like, look up everything. Okay, this part's fine. Okay, let's just go through this line by line. That's fine. Distance. Yep, that's fine. Sphere.w. Yeah, okay, like, this part's fine. Angle. Math.tan2, sphere.y, worldpause.y. Sphere.x, worldpause.x, plus pi. Index A equals angle divided by radians. Try it without the modulo. I don't get why I'll try it without the modulo. Okay, yeah, like, it's still the same problem without the modulo. The modulo is just correcting for a wraparound. So the modulo isn't the problem. Coding UC. Hey, welcome here, Mabaru. New person! Hey, everyone in chat, don't harass the new person. All act civilized. Everyone, like, delete your old messages, and let's just, be prim and proper. Like, say, like, how do you do? And, make sure you say it in a British accent, because I can't do that. Everyone be prim and proper for me. We need to, welcome the new viewers. I'm just waiting for, like, the next message to come in where it's just Lobster going, ah! Or something like that. Nah, he's not coding, he's just writing an essay. Subscribe, newcomer. Man, you guys have really got this down. Thanks, Lobster. Appreciate it. How do you do in British? Thanks. Thanks, Moby. Very weird essay, yes. Don't you love this essay? Float 4 underscore sphere, float underscore obstructions, bracket 32, bracket, bool, check vision, float 3, world pause, float ob count equals 32. Now, here comes my favorite part. Float dist equals distance, sphere.xyz, world pause.xyz. Man, that part of the essay just hits every time. I need to find where this problem is, though. Let's remove the lerp. And let's just do index 1, so this is simpler to look at. Okay, nice. Maybe it's drawing from the same spot twice. Not sure what you mean about that. Okay, Mabaru is gone. Did we scare him away? Nah, you guys did perfect. Well done. Ice cream sandwiches for everyone. Somehow I just want to remove this, even though I'm 99% sure that'll do nothing. Huh? Okay, that did something, and I don't know why. Okay, first, I need to check something. Is it orientated correctly? Okay, it is orientated correctly. I want it back in the middle. Huh. Very peculiar. Maybe it is a problem here. It just rotated the start of the circle? Yeah, Please, Astro? Please what? Please, what are you begging me for, Lobster? Why your name in orange? I have no idea. Okay, nothing's hitting. Okay, it's hitting there. Still hitting. Okay, so it does hit from the backside. I can't type. Watch vid? We did! I mean, we watched one of them. I mean, next stream, I might come back to them later. I do have a game to program after all. I'm just so confused by this. Multiply the angle by, I assume the next word's pi, but it's hidden behind the heart. Just guessing now? Yeah. Okay, so my guess right now is that the first 16 values of the variable obstructions are being filled in with actual values, and then the next 16 values are just defaulting to 0. That's what my current guess is. You know what? I'm just gonna try restarting the whole thing and seeing if it works. It is Unity after all. The #1 program for having random bugs that always fix themselves just by restarting the program, and I have no idea why they're there. Just print out the values in the console to see if they're filled or half empty. It's not quite that simple. I can't print out values that are in a shader. Okay. I can't print out values that are in a shader. Like, I know in the... Man, it's like I called it or something. It's like I called it! Unity is a perfect game engine with no flaws whatsoever! Project Incomplete. I have run into so many problems with Unity at this point that I know I just have a sense for when to just close Unity and reopen it, and it'll just work. This game engine is so broken. Anyways, we could go back to the previous way of doing it. I know what the problem is, and like, yeah, it won't affect 99% of game developers. It'll just affect me. Okay, let's see how this looks with it actually being proper. I won't notice it here. Okay, what is our performance at? We are at 150 FPS. What is our CPU load at? 6 milliseconds. Cool. I mean, that's a pretty good frame rate. I mean, like, the little bit of choppiness with this, I'm perfectly fine with. I'm perfectly happy with how this is going. One last test. This cube, there is a cube that I want to see if I can see it through the wall at all. I shouldn't be able to. Oh, I think he solved it, mates. Yeah, I did. A little late, Moby. Maybe put your stream on live instead of not live. I don't know. Can I do a rolling average over the last 10 frames to smooth it out? Maybe. But yeah, I can't see it through a wall. Perfect! It's all working! You have slow internets? Ah. Not judging you at all. Where I live, I used the fastest internet I used to be able to get was 5 megabit upload and 5 megabit download and 1 megabit upload. Really zippy fast. Imagine trying to download Call of Duty on that, let's say, like 100 gigabytes. That would literally take multiple days to download because it's so slow. Yeah, keep in mind also that most of the time when you actually were using the internet, you'd get more about 2 megabit, because that's shared between every device in the house. Every phone, every computer. Fortunately, we got fiber optics, and I only started making videos after that point, so hasn't been a problem yet. Okay. Project Incomplete. I don't actually think that I can smooth it out over 10 frames, because the current problem with why it looks a little choppy is because of, like, the raycast precision. So the thing is, if I smoothed it out, it wouldn't fix that problem, because the thing is like, it's supposed to, like, these edges here are supposed to smoothly move. It wouldn't have the edges smoothly moving. With that, it would look different than it had. It's 5 now? Remember you had to do that thing? Do what thing? I don't know. Also, I don't know what you're talking about, 5. What? I'm confused too. Anyways. I have to go at 5. It's 5 for you, not for me. I still have 2 hours. It's 3 o'clock for me. I have an alarm set in Vice. I'm not going to miss it. It's gonna be fine. Nah, that's cap. It's 5 somewhere in the world. You're into West? I'm not. If I look in the bottom right, it says 5 p.m. Yeah, it definitely says 5 p.m. over here. Definitely. It says 3:01. Also, chat's in front of it, so it's kind of hard to see it. Okay, next thing. L for low resolution. That is actually 5. It is actually 3. And I said I had to go, so that's my problem if I don't leave at 5. Not your problem. The low res got you, bruv. Here, That better? Okay, actually I don't need the inspector that big. Why does that player look like Among Us? I don't know. Purely coincidental that he looks like Among Us. Purely coincidental. Definitely no similarities were intended whatsoever. How will this game work? It's like Among Us, but good. That's how I like describing it to people. Essentially, there are going to be a bunch of elves in a lobby, and they have to do tasks before Christmas. But there is a Grinch among them. An imposter, so to say, who's trying to steal all of the presents from Santa's workshop. This is Santa's workshop. It's very pretty. I spent like 2 minutes on it. L online networking? I haven't even started on the online networking yet. No, copyright? Watch out. I can use the word Grinch. I can use the word Grinch. I just can't here. I just can't put any of these pictures in the game. Can't say Among Us. It's the English language. There is a Grinch Among Us. That is not copyrighted. It's not copyrighted. If I were to call my game Among Us 2, well, now that's a problem. But I'm not calling my game Among Us 2. It is 100%, I promise. In it. Online networking is a waking nightmare. I mean, I always do all my online networking from scratch, and it's never a nightmare. This year, I'm doing my networking through Unity for the first time ever. I have... Let me find it. I have this package installed. And I'm already doing research on the documentation for it, and it looks overly complicated for how my networking and matchmaking I usually do is. I usually, like, make my own servers out of, like, node.js or something like that, and then connection stuff, I just do, like, raw code. It's so much easier than using a library for me. But now I have to use a library because I want this game to be online for more than just Christmas, and then I take it down. I want it to be online and forever, and I never have to worry about it again. Essentially. So if someone's like, hey, want to play that game? They can... You'll be streaming my stream tomorrow. Cool. Reaction stream. W. Reaction streamer lobster. I feel like I wanted to do something else. I wanted to do walls. I wanted to do the sight lines. What else did I want to do? I feel like there was something else technical I wanted to do. Oh, I wanted to make a shader for these walls. Yes, 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 because I wanted you to be able to see through walls. JK, I want... Aww. That's sad. No free viewership for me. But it brings up a question. Okay. Is it legal? Oh, that's not the question? Since you have so few stream viewers, you can play a match of Grinch Simulator with your entire fanbase. I will do that, Moby. I will, actually. That is actually something I want to do. On the day that I record for the video where I'm actually playing this game, I'm going to get a few friends of mine to play this game in a VC together. And then the rest of the lobby spots, I'm just going to let anyone who's watching the stream join. When? I don't know. It depends when I finish this game. Don't ask me when. What happens if a streamer watches another streamer who is watching them? There are clips of that online. I believe Doug and Point Grow have done that before. I don't know. You just happen to watch each other. Don't say the 24th, please. No, I'm not doing it on or near Christmas. I'll do it well before then, because I need to post this video on, like, the 24th. It'll probably be, like, December 7th or something like that. Probably around then. It'll be at the beginning of December. I don't know if that's good or God. I don't know. It's one of those two. If you do both of them, then it's true. Okay. Both? Okay, cool. We'll go with good God or God good. We'll go with one of those two. I guess both of those mean the same thing. Yes. I needed to make a shader for the walls. I'll show you guys why. Will the game be PC only? Yes, unfortunately. I can't... Like, I can't do anything but PC only. Pretty much. Okay, PC emulator time? Go ahead, I don't care. Okay, the problem is that you can't see through this wall, so I can't see my own player. So I want to make this wall transparent when it's behind this. Oh yeah, I forgot this box was here. Better start saving, I guess. JK, I've got one. I mean, this game will not use a lot of power. It should be able to run on your 20-year-old dust machine. Should. Keyword. Well, I guess it is DX11, so maybe not. Okay, shader. Create shader. Unlit shader. Wall stencil. You should make a game mechanic where you press a button and it'll cause you to yell Merry Christmas. Maybe that's the emergency meeting button. Or maybe it's a sabotage, who knows? It's one of those two. But I don't want a Merry Christmas. That's why we have Funky Hanukkah around here. Sorry, spoilers for the next video. That's in the script. That's in the script of the video already, is that I say Funky Hanukkah at one point. And I'm just rolling with it. Because I think, okay, if you go back into my last Christmas devlog, I was very intentional and never, not for any controversial reasons or anything, just because I thought it was funny. I thought I didn't say Christmas once in that video. I made it it was very intentional that the word Christmas was never said in my Christmas special video. And I thought it was funny. I have small details like that in like a lot of my all of my videos. That's funny. Yeah, it's something that nobody noticed though. But I still have those small details in my videos that nobody notices. My latest video I put out has like references to like 5 different movies. That nobody caught any of them. You got another video with lots of 2-minute hard work? I'll make sure I see it later, Lobster. I'll make sure I see it later. I only have till 5 today, so like I do want to get stuff done, and I'm also confusing myself right now. What am I doing? Oh yeah, stencil / wall. Okay. Oh, I don't want that open there. I want it open in Visual Studio Code. Okay. So here... we'll just copy and paste that code for now. I should add an Easter egg in the game that is literally an Easter egg. Yeah, watch it after Astro. I can't watch it immediately after I stop streaming. This evening I will watch it though. I have stuff up for like the entire evening until like 10 o'clock. After 5. So I am busy for like the whole evening. Reaction video slippery slide begins. Render type. This should be transparent. Q equals transparent, I believe, is what I should be doing. Invalid pause world. Oh, I actually do need that. I'll just steal the entire vertex shader. There we go. Okay. Undeclared identifier check vision. Oh, I forgot to include that. Hashtag include / what is it? Vision global.cg inc. That should fix all the bugs. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just make a quick test material. Stencil wall. Okay. That's right. Alright, what is the benefit of using Visual Studio as opposed to different software? I just know how to use Visual Studio. I don't know what the benefits or downsides are. C# is developed by Microsoft and Visual Studio is their IDE. So there you go. And when you become a big YouTube channel, just know I was here before it's... oh, before it all. Maybe. You are not the first person that said, hey, when you become big, remember me. There is one person who commented that on, like, my first video or something like that. I need to go back and check who that was. I need to write that down. I think someone beat all of you guys to the remember me when you become big and famous. You also said that? Yes, you did. But I think you guys all got beat by that one guy. I don't remember who it is, though. I don't remember who it is. You also said that don't forget me. Maybe you were the first one to say it, Inviced. Maybe you were that guy. I'm just gonna make another function in here. Screen alpha. Wall alpha. I'll just call it that. Float 3 world pause. Better write our names down too. Hey, maybe what I'll do is I'll make a stream. It'll be a 5-minute stream titled "The People I Will Remember When I'm Famous," and every person who types in chat I write down and I remember them when I'm famous. And it's only the people in that stream. If you just watch enough streams, comment on enough videos, vibe with Astra enough, you won't be forgotten. Exactly, Lobster. That's how you do it. That's the kind of slaves, followers I like. Okay, wall alpha. Okay, if... You heard nothing? Good. 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 Now back to the basement. Okay, if the... I actually need to check. I want it from its pivot. Which axis is this? Negative Y. Actually, I could have just done that in my head. Don't do that stream, please. It's a horrible idea. It's only a horrible idea if you're not there. Astro, you've got a joke? Okay, I'm looking away. Okay, so... if... world pause dot y is greater than... Have I heard of the movie called Constipation? No, and somehow... it hasn't come out yet. Ah! Wait.
Paramount Plus is...
We're just gonna keep this playing for the rest of the stream. Oh. It was only 12 seconds long. We'll put it on repeat. I mean, we could do one more time. Anyways, I need to do coding. Is greater than or equal to the sphere position. Sphere.y, return 1. Otherwise... Also, Lobster wants to know when the famous remembrance stream is. You see, that's the funny part. Nobody knows when it's gonna be. New challenge, make this game, but you're playing a video that takes an hour. A full silent video, but sometimes plays goofy noises or memes. Wait, this one's just on repeat. There we go, that's better. Turning the volume up now. What have I done? Oh, apparently we're playing Metal Pipes Falling sound effects for the next, Remember your 283rd subscriber? Hey, welcome here. I have to zoom in to read this. Gerd Tete. Please now all, play your Hollywood laugh track of preference for how badly I messed up that name. Here's the name of the actual video? No, I got a video already. We're good to go. Okay. My brain broke now. Remember your 48th subscriber. Remember your 283rd. Hey, it's not the stream yet. You guys gotta wait for the stream. But how many subscribers are we at? Oh! Oh! It didn't do anything. Okay, still 284. Not your name, just made it up when you were 13. Okay, so if I mispronounce it, it's funny instead of offensive now. Alright, thanks, Gargi. Alright, what do I need to do? I need to interpolate. I need a variable here. I forgot that was playing already. Okay, focus on the code now. That's a good idea. That is a good idea. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to take a... It would be better if it was a video with different sounds and not just metal pipes, but what? You don't like the metal pipe? So floats... I'll call it fade equals sphere dot y. I'm gonna need that. You do, but variety is cool. Dot y. How do I need to do this? I need to get the difference between them, which is just a subtraction statement. Okay, cool. I need to take the wall's position and subtract the sphere from it if I want a positive number. Oh no, other way around. Minus worldpause.y, and all of that is divided by sphere.w, because I don't want to add another variable, so I'm just going to reuse the variable. No. I'm gonna leave it as that. And then I need to saturate it? I don't remember what the saturate function does. I think it's like clamp. But for HLSL. Return fade. I think that's it. Wall stencil. Make that a fixed 3. And then we do float 4. Elf. What's it called? Wall Alpha. I.pause world. And then the exact same thing here. Let's see if that works. Very cool. Definitely working. What's with the psychedelic lights? Oh, your eyes! What, you don't like a dance party every once in a while? We need dance music for this. What am I talking about? Here. It's the light show! Look directly into it! The seizure is a good thing! Anyways, yeah, that's broken. You're on the Discord now? Let's go! You're on the Discord, Moby! Fire, 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 water? What, burn it with fire, or that was fire? Alright, what went wrong there? Burn it with fire! Actually, I know what the problem was there. That's a float precision error with this script over here! Ah, thanks for the dramatic reveal. We're just gonna add, like, plus 0... or 0.01 here. And that literally will solve the problem. If it doesn't... Alright, let's test it. Okay, well... Every time I try it, it's better. I don't know where the hat is going, but, I know what's happening. Oh, I forgot this box is still here. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna just do to this. I'm just going to remove this part of it. That was the wrong part of it. Gotta go, bye. Hey, thanks for showing up, Lobster. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you around. I'll have to see those Minecraft videos. I'll have to look at them. Oh, I need to do a 1-. There we go. Don't do the stream without me, please, sir. Oh, we're doing it in 5 minutes, by the way. Bro, I'm underrated. Hey, thanks, Glitchy Spud. Maybe not my streams, but... You're subbing? Oh, wait. Before you sub. Wait! No! He already did it! Unsub! Someone unsub! I wanted to do this bit! Quick, somebody unsubscribe! Nobody's unsubscribing. You unsubbed? Okay, that's it. Okay. Will we get to 285 subscribers this stream? Alright, Gritzy Spud, you can sub now. Wait for it! 284! We're so close! Will we get there in one stream? Wait, I need to start the song over. Ah, there it is. Okay, cool. Back to coding. OMG! Crazy! Never seen 285 before! Oh yeah, I forgot about the metal pipe. Okay, now bye-bye. Alright, see you, Moby. Nice build-up? Yeah. Wow, insane! Anyways, back to your regularly scheduled program. I can't believe I was here to witness... Can we turn off the metal pipe thing? Who was the person who originally suggested it? Oh, it was Konako. Yeah, we can turn it off. I don't remember. I haven't seen Konako in a bit. We can turn it off. Oh yeah, I think this is just works now. Oh wait, I just remembered. I need to... I don't remember what the keyword for it is. Ah, blend. Okay, that's what I was missing. Okay. So many uppercase chat is on fire. Oh, that's a problem. I'll fix it later. Actually, is that really a problem? Because, like, when you're moving down here, it can at least, like, show you where you're going. That's because all my viewers are from Europe and he's from Canada. Yeah, yeah, all my viewers are, like, from Europe. You're from America! Oh, sorry, that's not the button I was looking for. Will we get our first American viewer ever on stream today? Oh, look, we have an American viewer, okay. Back to one song. By the way, Glitchy Spud, I think you're the first American viewer ever on my streams. Everyone's been from Europe. You're from the best state, Florida. We have 2 American viewers? Bruh. All in one stream. The first American boy, yeah. I don't know. Okay. In terms of this shader, you see what I'm going for, right? So, like, if I'm here, you can still see this wall. I know that the sprite is glitching out. Sort of thing, just so you can see where you're going. Don't worry about this box. That box has always been there. What do you think of it? Like, I'm not so sure about it. It did give me an idea, though. So I do something like this, where everything within a radius of the player goes transparent, and then there's a tiny stubby wall here. Just a tiny stubby wall that you can see over. So you can see that there's a wall there. Is the Grinch in a teapot? This is not the Grinch. This is just an elf. Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea. I like the stubby wall idea I just had. And I'm just gonna delete the test, because that's not where I want my materials stored. So I think I would just need to change this to be distance instead. Distance, from... Pretty good idea. I mean, I just wanted it so that the walls weren't obscuring too much. So I think, like, the walls at least have a nice aesthetic at a distance. But up close, I kind of want you to be able to see, hey, there's a room there, but you can't see into the room. That's what I want. And so I think this could work really well. Distance between sphere and world pause. And then I want to saturate this because I want to do some math in here where I subtract the sphere the sphere's radius. And this needs to be XYZ. Okay. I think that works. Materials. Create material wall. Unlit. Oh, no, it's not unlit. It's stencil. Wall. Not exactly what I was going for. Let's just see if something... Maybe it's that the... Okay, that's not what I was going for. Oh, and I think I don't want this 1 minus anymore. That might be that might be why I'm having problems. If I get close to this wall, it should disappear. It is not disappearing. I also forgot to remove that debug. Okay, I did rush through this math. Okay, what I want. The alpha to be 0 when it's within the sphere plus a certain radius. What's the model for the player supposed to be? Is that a Grinch on a candle with a scarf? It's supposed to be an elf. The model is not final. It's supposed to be an elf. And there is a Grinch hiding among the elves. It's like Among Us. Except better, because... better. And I have not really put that much work into the elf yet. I just kind of made him because I just wanted there to be something there instead of a box. Sphere.xyz... Huh. My brain just turned off. Okay, so like where they're equal, the distance is 0. So I'm just extending that radius with distance 0. What does the saturate function do? That might be part of the problem. Because I don't know... No, not saturation, saturates. I think I know what it means. Yeah, it's just a clamp, 0-1. Huh. Let's just try that for now. When I get really close to this, it should turn transparent, which it doesn't. Oh, it does here. But only if it's... Oh! Never mind. I still have this here. I forgot to remove that. That was correct. I might want to do, like... Yeah, it's working now. So yeah, so now you can just see other rooms. I'm gonna add a little stubby wall here. I'm also gonna add the... I'm gonna do a min function. Just gonna add another float. Fade to equals... Here dot y minus world pause dot... And this is a 1 minus, I believe. So then we just do min fade 2. And I think... Oh, actually might be what I'm looking for. The circle's over there right now, so... So yeah, you can see through wall, see through wall. I think that's not a problem with my shader, but something else. Okay. You got the stream to 8 and someone made it odd. You remember in Among Us you always died? Unfortunate. Because the imposter could see through walls? Unfortunate? Okay. This all looks good. I just need to copy and paste all of these walls. Let's just rename it short wall. And let's just make those invisible, and let's give all of these a default material. Actually, is there a Pro Builder material in here? It's somewhere. Okay. Short wall 1. Currently 5 tall. Let's make that 1 tall. Actually, let's make that half tall. You think chat died in your last remaining to keep it alive? I mean, that's fine. When I am in other people's chats, I am not a chatter. I am a lurker when I am watching other people's live streams. And that's perfectly fine if my audience is too. Oh, that's the wrong one. I want this one. 0.25. There we go. Oh, no. 0.25. I think that's it. There we go. There's all of the short walls. Let's make another material for short wall. Let's just make it unlit. There we go. How does that look? You're watching a football game and it's going horribly. They're legit losing an 11v10. I don't know enough about football to comment. Yay? Or, I don't know. No, it's bad. Oh no, that sucks. I don't know anything about football. Sorry. I need no calling on this one. There we go. Okay, I don't know what's going on anymore. I think I need to make the radius bigger. Sphere times 2. Astro, you have an idea to help? Hey, fire it! That actually looks nicer with the double radius. I already know some... Ask ChatGPT. I mean, ChatGPT would not be able to solve these coding problems. ChatGPT is good for basic coding problems, not complex ones. Generally. I mean, I have it fixed. I have it solved. The thing I have right now is that this is an unlit color, so I need a texture on these walls. To actually make them work as walls. Okay, another idea. Alright, fire it. What is it? Hit me. Ask me! Okay, Inviced, what is the answer to the life, universe, and everything? You are a secret genius. My mom is the answer. Maybe my mom's not the answer, but she has the answer. Life is death, universe is death, and everything is death, for nothing lives forever. I feel like that's a reference to something. Wall test.png. I don't want to keep this forever. No, it's not. You're just so smart, it seems like it. Usually, I do not associate references with people who are incredibly intelligent. I reference them with my brother. Or I associate them with my brother, who has the entire B-movie script memorized. If any of you know what the B-movie is. You like jazz? Seems like you know what the B-movie is. Materials. Wall and short wall. Okay, I can't do multi-editing. Wall. Unlit. Texture. Wall. Ah, yes. The UV mapping is very good right now. Let's fix this. Pro Builder, UV Editor. Tile. Maybe it is 1 by 1. Maybe it's short wall that has problems with tiling. Nope, that looks fine as well. Where did I make my OC model? In Blender. I can't show it, sorry. But I just made it in Blender and spent too much time on it, and I hate 3D modeling. It was a great time. Why are my UVs not wrapping? Is there just a function missing for wrapping UVs? But somehow I don't think that's the problem. It is the problem. Alright, time for Google. Unity shader UV is not wrapping. It's 3-3. Maybe we can win. There's hope. I don't know why the UVs aren't working. I've never seen this before. Maybe I just need to, like... I don't know. 4-3, we are winning! Let's go! Maybe I just do some fancy math here and force them to wrap. Mod 1. Like, I see that there. Okay, we're looking up something else. Oh, no, I do not want to add a new Chrome profile. I want to... Unity shader, texture, not tiling. Oh. Oh, I need to do repeat and then press apply. There we go! I still don't know why these walls. Add a fat pug on the table. Not today. Why is it not wrapping on that? Maybe I messed up the UVs. No, the UVs are fine. This one's also messed... Well... This one's also messed up. Maybe this is another situation where I just, close and reopen Unity and then it starts magically working. Oh wait, I know what the problem is. I literally messed it up earlier. That's not gonna do anything. And let's act like I didn't do any coding during that time and fixed everything because I figured out what the problem was. Anyway, it's working again! Yay. Ugh. These tiles are actually really nice because then I can... Oh no, I do want... I do actually want calling. Problem is, looking through here, this is like a transparent window, so it doesn't show the wall that's behind it, which I want it to. Huh. I want it to show this, I can probably just look this up. Enabling transparent depth prepass. What is that? You're back? Welcome back, Lobster. 1 more hour left to go? Something like that. I'm just doing some research because there's supposed to be a wall here behind this transparent wall, but I want it to show up. I have an idea. We won? Let's go! That's awesome advice. You're complete underdogs? That's awesome! You actually had 0% chance winning that when you came in? Apparently wasn't 0. Oh. Well, that was an easy fix. 1 line of code, let's go! It fixed it. Oh. Yeah, so about that fix. It looks good there. Nice fix, thanks. Time to look up the z-test function. Maybe this is what I want. No, that's not what I wanted. We're just going through these now. Yeah, technically what I want is less. Oh, no. But then as soon as something turns transparent, then I have that Maybe it's a relaunch? No, it's not a relaunch. I know what's happening. I just need to figure out how to make Unity... Maybe I'll just change the queue. Gotta go. See ya. Hey, thanks for showing up, Invice. I mean, now I'm just running into research stuff. Not very interesting. So you're probably not missing much. Oh! Okay. Well, never mind, I fixed it. Hi, Astro. Hi, Dan. You're not on break. You're not allowed to be here. Working on this game again. Maybe I should... Okay. We're gonna take a player. We're gonna hide him around a corner. We're just gonna hide him over here. Oops, sorry, bye. Yeah, that's what I thought. Get out of here, Dan! Get out of here! And stuff like that. Player test. Perfect. All right. I need to show you what I've been working on today. A lot of cool stuff. First of all, this light on the ground, although we did that yesterday. But now, it gets obstructed by walls, kind of. It's very jittery, but that's fine, because performance. And then also, I made it so that when you're close to walls, you can see through walls, and there's just a short wall instead. So then you can actually see other rooms that are in the map. Oh, well... I'll fix that later. Also, don't worry about the elf disappearing. Whoa, there he is! Crazy! Oh. But yeah, you can also have objects hidden behind walls. It's super cool and stuff. I still have some bugs to work out. But it's working. But what if I did Z-test always? What if I just removed Z-testing? Nope, that didn't fix it either. Hmm. Still peculiar. Oh, there's just an occlusion calling flag? Oh, it was already off. Bye. See you, Gargi. Nope, that didn't fix it. So, that doesn't do anything. Hmm. Yeah, I know I get that. E? Thanks. Very insightful information. Anyways, welcome here, Possessed. Right now we're at the boring part of coding where I have to research and debug stuff to figure out graphical anomalies. It's very interesting stuff. If you're a game developer. Trust me. If you're not a game developer, I showed up at kind of a bad time. I have an idea. Okay. My idea. I'm just gonna disable these for now. Is that I can swap all of... I'm actually going to just put the, and put that on that as well. I'm just going to separate these all into... What kind of objects is it called? A... Convex objects. So parts where there's no indents like this, I'm just going to make that its own square. That its own square. That its own square, that its own square. I'm just going to go through the work and do that. Which means I have to delete all of this. I'm not going to delete all of it yet. But I will have to do that. I am probably going to end stream here, and I'm going to work on some of this stuff off camera because it's very boring and I don't get to talk to you guys much while I'm doing it because I'm reading a lot of stuff, doing a lot of research, so I'm probably going to do this all off camera, but if you enjoyed the stream, thanks. Alright, bye!